नलेजलाई कसरी माया गर्छ भन्ने सिकाउँछ। इट एक्सप्लेन क्युरियोसिटी। साइन्टिस्टले खोजको लागि कस्तो जिज्ञासा राख्छ भन्ने कुरा सिकाउँछ। नाउ नमुना विल कन्टिन्यू द प्रेजेन्टेसन।
Also, a small boy, he asks me question about nature.
McFlinter.
I cannot wait to wake up in the morning.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. I feel like a boy sailing on the bridge. The big ocean of truth is still working. This story shows how scientists work. About the earth. Johnson is the writer. He is from America. He writes a book about science. His famous book is The Eighth Day of Creation. In this chapter, he talks about the scientists love to learn new things.
Now the presentation will continue the Muna video.
Main theme of this story. The race to the means stop wish to learn new things. That curiosity, जिज्ञासा जुन एउटा साइन्टिस्टमा हुन्छ, जुन कुरालाई धेरै कुरा मतलब साइन्टिस्टले जुन टपिकलाई उस गर्छ त्यसलाई जान्नलाई धेरै क्युरियोसिटी